Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on crafts with Michael's easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by planning your next crafting project. Check Michael's website for ongoing sales and promotions. Create a list of supplies needed for your project. Visit your local Michael's store or shop online. Sign up for Michael's Rewards program to earn points on purchases. Use coupons available on the Michael's app or website. Look for clearance items in-store to find discounted supplies. Consider buying in bulk for items you frequently use. Explore seasonal sales for craft supplies related to holidays and events. Combine your coupons with sale items for maximum savings. Join local crafting groups online for tips and tricks on budget-friendly crafting. Ask store employees about upcoming sales or additional coupons. Always compare prices with competitors for the best deals. Keep an eye out for limited-time offers that might include free shipping or exclusive discounts. Plan your crafting schedule around sales events to save even more. Participate in in-store workshops, often available for free or at a low cost. Stay organized by keeping your materials stored properly to avoid unnecessary purchases. Embrace creativity by repurposing items you already own for new projects. Share your crafting journey within your community to inspire others. These tips will help you enjoy crafting while sticking to a budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.